Far Eastern University Athletics Director Mark Molina. Very confident as we talked to him before the game. There's National University Athletics Director Junel Baculi in attendance at the arena. And Mark was saying, you know, may game 3 pa tayo, may Wednesday pa.
That's right.
But not if these guys can help it. They want to finish it off, bring the confetti down, bring the balloons down. Mr. Noel Buenaventura, member of the board of the UAAP from De La Salle University. And of course, the Lady Spikers of De La Salle, 1 game away from winning their second championship since 2007.
Yes.
And it's going to be sweeter because last year they were taken out by USD. This time they have the chance to get their vengeance.
In fact, they were swept by USD last season.
That's right.
So, talagang, you know,
sweet victory
revenge.
Like nanalo sila. But back to the men's action. USD, the defending champions in the men's tournament, with a chance to close it out against FEU today. And in this set, they're up by 2 and up by 2 sets to nothing as well.
That's a check ball. Point for USD.
The first referee corrects himself because the linesman said may check, ano?
That's right. There was a touch.
Puntos para sa USD. It is now 17-14 in favor of USD. Garcia playing setter for De Ocampo.
Net. There was a net violation on Alfafara.
Touching the net on the Raleigh Tigers.
17-15 in favor of USD. Labrador getting ready to serve. He will be in the back row. Si Avila, Molate, and Tonkin at the net for FEU. Oh, nice block by Tonkin. The tip by Alfafara. Avila rejected by Ramos.
Ramos, how many blocks has he had? He's had a lot in that, in that department. Offensive blocks at that.
And right now, you see the body language of FEU, and they seem to be tired. They seem to have given up.
Yeah, it's too early for that. And the coach, George Pasqua, again with the change-up, he saw that what he put in wasn't working. So he's back with the veterans, De Ocampo and Avila.
Depante with a strong serve. So, USD not out of the woods yet, definitely. Dalawa lang ang kalamangan nila.
Yeah. This is far from over. You've got a strong front line now for FEU. You've got Tonkin right there. See? Misreception from USD.
Torres. De Ocampo hitting it, over-received by USD.
One more time.
Over-received again, and Tonkin will not be denied the second time around.
That's right. Tonkin missed his first chance to put out that play.
Pero nakita niya na yung butas the second time around.
That's right. He made sure the second time around.
USD, the lead, down to 1. Avila with a little kiss to the ball for luck. 17 serving 18. The back set. Ramos. De Ocampo. Depamilo rejected. No.
Great play from Depamilo to hit it into the block.
And that was even at Ramos's block right there. Timeout by USD. Let's listen in.
Ito na, oh. Ang session nila nandun, ang ano nila nandun. Ikaw nandito, ha? Andito ka. Bilisan mo na, bilisan mo na. Hindi naman ganun kagalitong dito, hindi nakakaabos yan. Pabig-quick, dulo. Ang pinapano mo pag nagraraning ka, kitang-kita. Ang baba-baba ng daan ng bola.
Coach Lontok, by the tone of his voice, clearly upset at the loss of his 2-point lead. We're tied at 18 all, and he draw up a play. Kaya natin kung ma-execute ng USD. They are on the attack here with Avila serving. But Villanueva unable to pick up the serve, and now FEU 3 straight points to get the lead by 1, 19-18.
That's right, the best receiver. With an error.
Seems yung mga awardees ngayon medyo kinakabog,
Are feeling the pressure.
Torres.
Ooh, oh, nice save.
Joust at the net, won by
Point
FEU.
for
And
FEU.
apparently there's an overreach
It's a back
by
row
UST.
player on the Growling Tigers.
Take another look.
Well, I'm interested on the call. If Ukang was the guilty party, they're saying that there was overreaching if Ukang was the one who blocked that ball. But no, you've got two players in the front line. So I don't see what the call was all about.
Now in a huge uproar here as the LaSalle fans actually are getting into the action.
Point for FEU.
Net violation by Ramos, and all of a sudden FEU surging ahead. And they are up by 3 after trailing by 3. So that's 6 straight points for the Tamaraos to keep their hopes alive in Game 2 of this best of 3.
And I like this. We've got a matchup when it comes to the Clappers.
Received that time.
Oh!
But Tepamailo unable to capitalize on the mistake by FEU. Apologizing to the bench. Take a look here.
That was a free ball. Look at Ukang. Ukang actually did a good job in faking it off. So Ukang having that presence of mind to fake as if though he was going to set it, but he just let it go.
That's on the line. Huge mistake coming from Brilloso of FEU. They had a 3-point lead, but they threw 2 points away, and they are now just down by 1, or make that up by 1.
Okay, usap natin. 1, 2, 3, set. Tumulong ka sa reset. Unahan niyo muna yung buwit. Huwag kayo mag-aasyon na outside. Tingnan niyo muna yung president na out na. Tapos usap. Tapos
Ukang.
I thought he was going to serve it with eyes closed.
Maybe a prayer.
Yeah.
Or some words of encouragement to himself, psyching himself up as he served that ace for USD, and they badly needed that point. They were down by 3, 21-18, but they got 2 straight points, and the last one from that ace. USD within 1.
Outside.
Out of bounds.
That's outside. That was too long. No touch from the block.
21 all. So after 6 straight points by FEU, USD with their own run 3-0 to tie it up at 21 all. A chance of Go Tigers echoing inside the arena in San Juan. De Ocampo, kneeling set. Tepamailo redeeming himself. Yes, he does. FEU back on top by 1, 22-21.
That's actually what he wanted to do in that first attempt. Hit it off the block. Kaso hindi tumawag kay Lumipar. But now he did the right thing. Able to hit the hands of Ramos.
De Ocampo serving. Ooh, Dolores! Huge mistake on the part of USD that time. FEU 2-point lead, but at a very crucial part of the set. And USD calls a timeout. De Ocampo ecstatic with that point.
Huwag kayo mag-attend pag tumatating ang bola. Maski yan ang bilis yan. Basta dinitaan mo yan. Tinayog mo yan. Tama yan. Okay, titigan. Diba? Dalawa lang yan, ha? Ang harap ka nila. Okay, side out na, ha? Side out. Okay.
Just calming down his libero Dolores is Coach Lontok. Square yourself up to the ball, tas tanggapin mo. Kahit gaano pa kabilis yan, pag tinutok mo yan sa dip-dip mo, makukuha mo, yun ang sabi niya. Let's see.
It seems that he's the target of Petrus.
He gets it. And Ramos for the
Wow, Doloiras.
Huge
Nice release.
sigh of relief para kay Doloiras. Ano, as you see, Ramos punch that shot down. But UST still down by 1. And with Ramos serving, FEU will be on the attack here. De Ocampo. De Pamailo.
JP Torres in the front.
From defense to offense. Free ball, FEU. De Pamailo.
Outside.
No check according to the referee. We're tied. 23 all.
FEU not getting the call.
That was right in front of the first referee. Coach Pascua unperturbed, and he calls a timeout. Let's listen to FEU.
Okay lang. Quantum mo si Paulit. Huwag natin intindihin yun. Meron pa pagkakataon. Okay? Sana huwag masayang yung timeout natin. Ay, Bob! Kaya nakita mong dikit na gano'n. Kung walang turaan, tama yun, check ball yun. Pero hindi tayo judgment ball yun. Pabayaan na natin yun. Pero laban. Bawi tayo ulit. Mag-all 24 lang. Unahan natin sila sa 24.
Walang specific play instructions,
yeah.
ano? Mauna
That's
lang
right.
tayo sa 24, huwag natin sayangin ng timeout.
That's right. Well, at this stage, it's just what it boils down to who really wants it more. You know, the heart. You know, you gotta look back on how many practice sessions you've had, and if you really want it, you're gonna go all out in these last two plays. Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach George Pascua.
FEU will have another chance at a good attack with a good receive from this Ramos serve. De Ocampo. De Pamailo overshoots the mark. And UST is at championship point number 1, 24-23.
All right,
For
now
USC,
is the big question for Petrus. Who do you go to? De Pamailo with back-to-back hitting errors. You've got Tonkin as one of the attackers. So now you got to make that decision. Let's see who he goes to.
Big serve from Ramos. And a service reception error from FEU takes them down.
The champions,
The University of Santo Tomas Growling Tigers on the floor, some of them in tears. Chants of goals ringing inside the arena. As Torres and the Tigers are inconsolable at this point. They are just exuberant with their 4th straight championship and the 18th overall, won in 3 straight sets. Instant replay brought to you by Shakey's. Shakey's, it's fun family pizza.
Wow, what a match. What a match. That final point really doesn't do justice to what match we just had witnessed. So, the service, good serve from, well, nothing to take away from Jason Ramos. Really great serve coming from him, but poor reception from FEU ended that match. And Coach George Pascua really just told final instructions to the boys. You got to let it all hang loose. You know, make sure that you put it out there. They tried to do it, but they fell short. Again, the more experienced USC lineup prevailing over this one.
And you look at the jubilant Tigers with an excellent accomplishment here today.
Four-peat
And against FEU, previously undefeated prior to the final game of the season where they beat FEU, and they took them out in game number 2 in 3 straight sets.
Look at the scores. 29-27, 26. You can't go get any closer than this.
That's true.
It's a really tough 3-setter.
And the crowd, the USD fans inside the arena appreciating the effort put up by the Tigers. Give them a huge round of applause and cheering them after an awesome performance. Our Shakey's best player, Shakey's It's Fun Family Pizza, is with Patch Gansana. Patch?
Yes, Eric, I'm with Jason Ramos, our Shakey's best player of the game. Congratulations, Jason. Ang ganda ng timing niyo para maka 3 sets. Ngayon pa na finals at FEU ang kalaban nyo. Saan galing yung composure na yan na kahit may mga panahon na lamang ang FEU, nakabawi pa din kayo?
Bali po kanina, bago po mag-start yung game, sinabi po namin na ialay po namin lahat kay God yung game. Then, yun nga, yung tiwala, tapang, then puso. Tapos tiwala lang kay God talaga. Walang imposible kay God. Yan lang.
Jason, 4-time defending champion na kayo. Hindi naging madali ang championship nito. Anong masasabi mo sa buong experience mo sa league na to?
Nadadaanan po lahat to sa hirap. Nagdaan po kami sa matinding hirap bago namin makamit yung 4 na taon na pagiging champion. Bali, yun nga, pinaghirapan talaga namin. Then, nag-sacrifice kami ng mga ilang bagay para lang makamit tong 4 times na pagka-champion namin. Yun.
Jason, you have the chance now to thank everyone. Kung may gusto ka man i-greet mo na ngayon.
Binabati ko lahat ng mga taga-Tacorong City, sa Ramos family, Lostina family, then taga-Cristobal sa dorm namin. Sa lahat na nasuporta sa USD, salamat. Pang-4 na taon na to. Yun na po.
Alright, congratulations, Jason.
Kay Cara Solano, ay, Mamoy. Sa mga coaches, sa mga player, salamat. Kila mama, papa. Yan lang po, salamat.
Alright, congratulations, Jason, and to the whole UST for a 4-time defending champion. Back to you, Eric and Doc Ian.
Thank you, Patch. And you see the players, their joy cannot be controlled.
Oh,
and
yeah.
of course, nothing to take away from the FEU Tamaraws. They played an awesome match. They played an awesome season. Their only defeat coming towards the end of the season and in the finals. We'll talk more about this and the awarding ceremonies also when we come back here on Studio 23.
Of your UAAP, the finals.